Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a lag in iOS 26. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks guys. The first thing you can do is head into the settings app of your iPhone. After you've updated to iOS 26, the first thing I would do is tap on battery here. Now from here, you'll see a new screen and towards the bottom there is power mode. Just tap on power mode and a few different things. You're gonna turn off low power mode, but also I would recommend turning off adaptive power. If your phone is really lagging, this can reduce the performance of your phone. After you've done that, let's go back out here, back again. And from here, you're gonna go to general, and then iPhone storage. Check to see if you have enough space for your iPhone to operate normally. You should have a few gigabytes worth of space left. If you don't have any space, just tap on an app that you haven't used in a while and just hit delete app and delete that specific app. Now, after you've gone through those steps, if it's still really slow or lagging, swipe down from the top right, turn airplane mode on, and then turn it back off to disconnect from Wi-Fi and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If all those don't help, let's go into the App Store next. Keep in mind, a lot of the apps will be updated based on the new iOS 26. So tap on the profile button at the top right, swipe down from here, and then anything that says update, just tap on update all. So update all of your apps. This should help a lot of those apps that are running slower because they're meant for iOS 18. Now they'll be updated for iOS 26. If that still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is shutting down your phone. So press the volume up and side button until you see the screen to turn off or shut down your phone. Completely turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Now, if you go through all these steps and it's still running slow, let's go back to your settings and go back to the very beginning of these settings. From here, you can see towards the bottom is the general option. Just tap on general, and then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom, hit the transfer or reset your iPhone, but we're not going to erase it. We're going to just tap on reset here. I would recommend hitting the reset all settings and bringing all these back to factory default. This a lot of times fixes any bugs or glitches in there and helps everything run a bit more smooth. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.